Hi, wanna know how to use all of the gestures on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So the first thing that we would need to do is to open our Xiaomi earbuds application and here go to the list which is named gestures. Here on this tab you'll be able to find a full list with all available gestures on your earbuds, and also if you would like to you can change the action for each of the gestures. But now let's test all of these. As you can see here we got double tap on one of the earbuds which will be play or pause, triple tap will be skipping the song, and press and hold will be switching us between the modes. So I got a song here, and now let's try to do some actions with this with the help of these gestures. As you can see here on our earbud we got this middle part which is the sensor by itself, and to do anything with the gestures we would need to touch this part that you can see. So let's play the song now and try to pause it with the help of double tap like this. And you can see that the song has been paused. Now we can play it again with the help of the same double tap. And it also doesn't matter on which earbud you are doing this because both of the earbuds has the same features. Now, next action that we got here is triple tap to skip the song. And now let's test it. I'll triple tap on the sensor and you can see that the song has been successfully skipped. We can do it once more. And the last gesture that we got on these earbuds is switching between all of the modes. As you can see here, we got 3 modes, which is transparency, noise cancellation, and turned off. And with the help of gesture tap and hold, we can switch between them. And it also doesn't matter on which earbud you are doing this. So currently we are on the noise cancellation, and if I will hold the sensor like this, we should be switched to the transparency. And yes, as you can see, we have successfully switched the modes. We can try it once more. And this is it. This is all of the gestures that these earbuds got. Also, if you would like to, you can still open the gestures tab and here set one of the actions available on the tab on the left or right earbone. But we can see here that single tap gestures are easy to trigger accidentally. This is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.